The industrial pad mount transformer from Larson Electronics offers powerful, reliable, and efficient power distribution in indoor, outdoor, and public locations. The low operating costs, low heat emissions, and low cost of ownership makes this transformer ideal for a wide range of applications and businesses. An enclosed design caters to installations on concrete pads without protective fencing. With a transformer rating of 300 KVA, the industrial transformer features a primary voltage of 3-phase 2400 volt delta and a secondary voltage of 3-phase 480Y and 277 Wye-N. The unit has a primary radial feed for single installations and dead front primary connections. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.